I love how food can bring you back to a certain place in your time in an instant, and this is one of those dishes for me. This is Italian stuffed shells, my friends. That's what I am making here, and this brings me back to when I was, I don't even know, between 6 and 9 years old, roughly, because my grandmother used to make Italian stuffed shells for us all the time. Okay, maybe not all the time, but when she did, it was awesome, and I'm telling you, I would eat the entire pan myself. She would give them to us in those little tinfoil kind of disposable, quote-unquote, pans that you get at the grocery store, you know, and I would literally eat the whole thing myself. Nobody else got any of that. It was for me. She made it for me. and I am remembering her today. Grammy Carol, I am remembering you today as I make these Italian stuffed shells completely from scratch. Well, okay, these are not from scratch, but I would need like an extruder and some big, you know, equipment to make those from scratch. I'm not making the shells from scratch, but this sausage was made from scratch. This sauce was made from scratch. You know, I mean, we made the filling. I didn't make the cheese. I didn't milk the cow or anything. I mean, come on. But either way, this is one of those dishes that holds a very dear place in my heart. And the whole time I was making this, I was smiling from ear to ear, just remembering my gram and the good times, you know, and all the Christmas cookies and the stuffed shells that she used to make. You know, she actually instilled some of my work ethic onto me because she would employ me to do some of her yard work. That's right. Yeah, buddy. She was a good teacher for me. That's for damn sure. She did her part in my life. And I thank her every day for that. Yeah, butter it up, baby. We're making that garlic bread. You know how we do it. That's what I'm talking about. Extra butter, little garlic on there, little sprinkle dinkle right there for you. Yeah, buddy. Look at that. Oh, my goodness. This was about 20, 30 minutes in the oven or so, and that cheese is all schmelty and good, and I cannot wait to dig into this. I'm telling you. But first, we got to toast that garlic bread, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, look at that cheese. I don't eat cheese all the time, but I tell you, when I do, I get excited like a little schoolgirl. That's right, that garlic bread came out perfect. I cannot wait to dig a big old fork right into this. I'm going to do it right now. I'm kidding. I'll continue filming just for the last few seconds here. Guys, I'm telling you, this is a dish that cannot be forgotten. Stuffed shells, baby. Get out and make some today.